Hey all you cool cats and kittens. Today we're going to solve the previous problem that was on my Instagram page. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to identify what type of problem we have. It looks like we have a trig equation that we need to solve, and that's equal to a series. That series is a geometric series, and of course it's going to be an infinite series, so we need to know the equation for that. So let's go ahead and start with the right side. The equation for the infinite series is going to be equal to a1 over 1 minus r. In this case, a1 is the first term of the series, and r is going to be the common ratio. We quickly can identify that a1 is 14 over 3, and our ratio is going to be 1/3. There's a couple ways we can do this. We can go ahead and simplify the denominator here, or I can multiply everything by 3, because that's going to eliminate the denominator for that one, and it coincidentally gonna eliminate the denominator for that as well. So then I get 14 over 3 minus 1, which is equal to 14 over 2, which is equal to 7. So now we know that the right side is equal to 7. So we can go ahead and work on the left side. So we have 4 times sine of 3 theta plus 5 is equal to 7. I'm going to go ahead and subtract the 5 to the other side to give me 4 sine of 3 theta is equal to 2. Then I'm going to divide the 4 to both sides, and I'm going to get that sine of 3 theta is equal to 2 over 4, or technically sine of 3/2 is equal to 1/2. I got the 1/2 by simplifying the 2/4 there. Now, how do I solve this? Well, keep in mind that the theta is going to be between 0 and pi over 2, right? So we need to find the values of the radians that's going to make this sine equal to 1/2. If you remember your unit circle, or if you look at it, somewhere in your notes, you're going to notice that the inside, this inside 3 theta needs to equal to pi over 6. Why? Because sine of pi over 6 is going to equal to 1/2. Now notice I don't have any other values. Why? Because our thetas are in between these right here. Now technically, just to be sure, what I can do is I can say, well, that's one answer. Another one can be 5 pi over 6. Now the reason why I'm doing that is because by dividing it by 3, I might get a value that's still in between that parameter there. So I'm going to go ahead and divide by 3, and I'm going to get pi over 18. And what do you know? I got 3 pi, or theta, is equal to 5 pi over 18. All right, cool, not bad. And that's our answer right there.